dirty. Let's take it for a bath. Oh no! Its webbed foot was also wounded. Let's apply some ointment on it. Great! The duck is clean and healthy now. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. So cute. Can I adopt it? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. You're its owner now. Please care for it. To a new house. Let's clean up its previous house.